Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible benefits of turmeric for weight loss. Turmeric, a vibrant spice commonly found in curries, has gained attention for its potential to aid in weight management. So, let's explore how this golden spice can support your weight loss journey. One of the key benefits of turmeric is its ability to boost metabolism. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to increase the production of heat in the body, a process known as thermogenesis. This can help rev up your metabolism and potentially support weight loss efforts. Turmeric may also help with appetite suppression. Some studies suggest that curcumin can regulate certain hormones in the body, such as ghrelin, which is responsible for hunger signals. By helping to control appetite, turmeric can assist in reducing calorie intake and promoting weight loss. Another potential benefit of turmeric is its ability to reduce fat tissue. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit the growth of fat cells and prevent the formation of new ones. By targeting fat cells, turmeric can contribute to a decrease in overall body fat, particularly in stubborn areas. Turmeric is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can disrupt normal metabolic functions and contribute to weight gain. By reducing inflammation, turmeric can help create a healthier internal environment, promoting better weight management. Lastly, turmeric may play a role in blood sugar regulation. Studies have shown that curcumin can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes. By maintaining stable blood sugar, turmeric can aid in curbing cravings and promoting a more balanced approach to eating. So, there you have it, the incredible benefits of turmeric for weight loss. While turmeric can be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey, it's important to remember that it's not a magical solution. It's best to incorporate turmeric into a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise. As always, consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet or weight loss regimen. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.